Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to remove YouTube video from channel. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You have to open YouTube. Now click on upper right corner. Click on your channel. Then click on manage videos. Your videos will appear here. Select a video and click on three dots. Now at the bottom, click on delete. Now click on delete button. Your video have been deleted. I hope you found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers and want to get exclusive coupons spinning at wide range of products from cutting edge gadget to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on the screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and sharing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.